I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
Hey y'all, long time no see. Welcome back to my channel, and we are back with another wig review. Today we will be reviewing the Outre Perfect Hairline Swoop series in the Swoop 5. The color that I have is DRFF Amber Sunset. This wig does come in 11 different colors, and then of those 11 colors, you do have 8 special colors. Y'all, I cannot wait for y'all to see the wig. Y'all know I'm always switching it up, but I usually will do a longer hair, and then I'll go short, and then I'll do like a bright color, and then I'll do more like a natural color. So I like to switch back and forth just to switch it up a little bit. But this hair is 14 inches. It is glueless. It does come with HD transparent lace. You can put up to 400 degrees of heat on it. It does come pre-plucked. It does have a gradual hairline. It does have baby hairs included. It does have your natural contour for a realistic hairline. You don't have to customize or do anything. Their wigs are always very beginner friendly. It does have the wide elastic band and all of that stuff, which I'll show y'all once we get into the construction of the cap. And like I said, it does have ear to ear soft HD transparent lace. And then I'm just showing y'all the color of the wig here. Y'all, I'm very iffy when it comes to doing like dark colors. I don't know, it's out of my comfort zone. I know I've done like purples and reds, blues, bright colors, but for whatever reason, like the darker colors really are out of my comfort zone. It does have highlights in it, but still slightly out of the comfort zone for me, but y'all will see how I pull it together in the end. And then right here, I'm just showing y'all that 13x4, that frontal lace there. And then it does, like I said, it has 2 combs in the top. It has 1 comb in the back as always. And then it does come with that wide elastic band, which is what makes it glueless. And then you have your regular adjustable straps in the inside as well. Alright, this is what she's looking like fresh out the pack. Like I said, she is 14 inches. I want to switch it up a little bit. I love a good bob. You just can't go wrong with it. And as y'all can see, it did come with a side part as well. And then that is what she is looking like in the back. And it's time to cut the lace off. As always, y'all know I like to go in a zigzag motion just so we can really mimic and get that natural looking hairline. Make it look as natural as possible. And then I wanted to just show y'all up close and personal what the lace is looking like once it's cut off. Like I said, this is pre-plucked, so you don't have to do anything to it. It's super natural, super beginner friendly. And then I just wanted to show y'all as well that you can part this hair wherever because of that frontal. Y'all, this was the last wig I had on. I know she looks completely different from what she looks like here. If y'all want to see what she looked like prior and how I installed her, I will leave a link for the video in this video and in the description box below so y'all can check that out. I loved her. I just need to take a break from the red. And here we go, right? A huge difference from what I just took off. But we're gonna get into it. We're gonna play around with it, and we're gonna make it work. Alright, so I'm taking my Even spray to lay this wig down, y'all. I will no longer be supporting Even because apparently they had, which y'all can go on TikTok and probably go through hashtag Even New York. I don't really know because my sister showed it to me. But apparently they were being racist to a black girl at the company or whatever. So I will no longer be supporting her. Supporting Even. This is the last video y'all will be seeing me use them. But as always, I do 2 to 3 layers, and I'm doing my 3-finger test on my forehead to make sure the lace isn't too far down. But like I said, 2 to 3 layers of the spray, and then I blow dry it. And then y'all know I like to take my rat tail comb to really press that lace into the skin and blow dry it into the skin with the rat tail comb as well. And then I did realize once I melted the front down that the sides needed to be cut down because they came a little bit longer than my actual hairline does. So to make it look natural, I had to go along and cut that lace around the ear. And then of course I did that for both sides. So now I did go in and off camera finish spraying down the rest of my wig, and then I'm tying down an elastic band. As always, we leaving it on for 5 minutes. Then it was time to take it off, and now I'm just kind of playing around with her, getting her to my liking, you know, combing her through all of the good stuff, just so I can kind of, like I said, get it to my liking. And like I said, it came with a side part, so I have a side part here, and then I did pull a little bit of it behind my ear as well. And then I just want to show y'all what the back is looking like. Now, one thing I will say about bobs that kind of irritate me is sometimes they don't really lay well in the back, like the part that lays like on the top of your back, like right under your neck sometimes, as y'all can kind of see here, which is kind of annoying sometimes, but I'll make it work. So I was still playing around with her. I took that hair from behind the ear and just kind of brushed it out, combed it down or whatever, just to get some different looks and different ideas of how I actually really wanted to wear this hair, because I was going out after I filmed this look. So y'all know I'm a huge side part girl, but for whatever reason, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling the side part look on me. I was thrown off. Like I said, it's the color as well, but the side part was just throwing me. So I'm like, you know what, let's switch it up. Let's try to put it in the middle and let's see if that makes it a little bit better. So that's what I'm just doing here, trying to get my part as straight as possible, because I feel like I never get my part straight when they in the middle, no matter how hard I try. And I'm just brushing it out, fixing it to my liking. And I do want to mention to y'all before this video is over, I will be doing a 200 subscriber giveaway soon, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, overall, really good wig. I always tell y'all I feel like they big hair friendly because I wear my hair in a puff, and these wigs usually always fit over my puff, because y'all know I can't braid to save my life. I didn't really have a lot of shedding. I had a tiny bit because of the part that the lace that I had to cut around my ears, but other than that, I ended up hot combing her off camera. I don't show y'all on here, but I really ended up loving how this hair is turned out, even though I know right here y'all can see I wasn't sure about it. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, make sure y'all give it a fat thumbs up. Make sure y'all subscribe, and until next video, y'all, bye.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger, fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that, ass is still a man.